and principles of the Human Rights Declaration. Discrimination against ethnic minorities and brutality are prohibited. However, my 73-year-old father, whose health condition is critical and who needs constant hospital visits and someone's company to walk and sit, is in concentration camp now. This is ruthless. We do not even know if he is alive or not. According to the international conventions, no country has the right to separate parents from their children. From that day on, I have not been able to contact with my relatives in China. Conforming to the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights, no one can take away our human rights, and everyone must be treated equally under the law, regardless of race, gender, ethnicity, or religion. Please help my father, whose basic rights have been trampled. I am pleading for the help of the UN Human Rights Committee, President of the Republic of Kazakhstan Nursultan Nazarbayev, people in power, lawyers, and journalists. Please rescue all ethnic Kazakhs who are becoming the victims of the cruel and wrong policies of the People's Republic of China. I hope the problem can be solved with your help if God wills. To the UN Human Rights Committee. I am the citizen of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Kurmangul Slamkıza. My ID number is 8110124999052. The appeal is for the following reasons. My father, Slam Madinamullah, was born on December the 21st, 1948. He is a Chinese citizen. His current address is 32 West Plantation Road, Sawan County, Tarbagatai Region, Xinjiang, China. His ID number is 652524194810120011. My father went to Kazakhstan to visit his relatives according to the articles of the relevant law on traveling and visiting relatives abroad of the Republic of China on March the 12th, 2017. Nevertheless, the local government bodies from China found excuses to call him back several times. When he went there, the local police confiscated his passport, and without any reason, he was taken into a political re-education camp. This is the violation of our right to be innocent until proven guilty in accordance with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights.